What is climate change? In layman terms, climate change is simply a change in the climate of the earth that we live in. These changes in the climate cascades down to the rising level of undesired air pollutants such as greenhouse gases, leading to poor air quality, rising temperature, and extreme changes in the weather patterns such as frequent wildfires, floods, hurricanes, and so forth around the globe. The climate change is the product of man-made or anthropogenic emissions due to rapidly increased industrialization and transportation, be it land, air, or marine. Humans have caused this adverse change to the climate and therefore is solely responsible to mitigate the climate changes through increased awareness and changed behavior towards our lifestyles. We burn fossil fuels in the form of natural gas, petroleum oil, and coal to produce energy to drive our industries, light our cities and houses for our comforts. Keep in mind that burning these fossil fuels do release greenhouse gases such as CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, CO, and unburned hydrocarbons as methane and so on. In our today's Earth atmosphere is heavily polluted with CO2 and methane, estimated at over 90% of the global atmospheric air covering the Earth's sphere. The human influence of climate change that is happening now is occurring at a much faster rate. The anthropogenic, that is man-made greenhouse gases, warms the Earth's surface. Now the question will be, how does it work? When the sun energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space, and the rest is absorbed by the greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. Global warming is an attribute of the climate change. It simply means the rise or change in the planet's temperature from the pre-industrial time of up to 1880. Scientists have revealed that the global temperature has increased around 1.3 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrialized time. Furthermore, the actual data of rise in global temperature indicates an exponential or sharp increase since 1960 to date. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, known as IPCC, met in Paris during 2015 and agreed to control the change in global temperature from the pre-industrial time to well under 2 degrees Celsius. As children of today, we have to stand up, speak out, and do something about elevating further damage towards climate and fix it as well. If we do not do anything now, then later in the future, we will face the worst climate consequences in our lifetimes. Let's work together to protect our climate for ourselves and leave a good and healthy legacy for the next generations yet to come.